Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your main man, Lakeith Fowler, right here in the place to be with an update from the fire damaged property, the barbecue in Allen, Texas. I like to call this one. Here's another. Here's an update. So, we've already painted. Let me get it off me real quick so you can see what's going on. So we've already painted the exterior, added siding over here on the door, painted it gray, got a gray colored roof at the top. So you can see right here, I'm gonna change this shutter. I got a fence over here on the other side. I'll show you that as well. But let's go here on the inside and let me show you what's going on. So you see this new siding? Siding is very important. If you look back on my first video on this property, you'll see it did not look like this at all. But now we got fresh siding. That's what all that is out there on the concrete. But everything is different. Let me show you what's going on. So as you walk in, so since this was a fire damaged property, all the AC, this is a fur. This whole piece right here from here, because you see how high it is in the kitchen, and you're like, well, why is this lower than this? This is a fur, and like a jacket, F-U-R-R, and it has the AC duct running through the house. They should do that back in the day, but it's non-useful at this point because there was a fire in the attic, so all the HVAC stuff caught on fire. So we're gonna run it different, but making that different, it's gonna make this taller. So it's gonna make everything go up. It's not gonna feel as snug in the house. So that's gonna be an amazing selling point. Gonna trash all this floating cabinets and this vent hood and these cabinets and all these other cabinets over here in the kitchen as well. We got a lot of the flooring up. You see the carpet is gone out of here. Got to get the last little bit of this stuff out. But I just really want you to see some things like you see the baseboards. Baseboards are gone. I want you to really go step by step to see the transformation of this house and what it will be from what it is right now. So I will remind everybody, you know, Lakeith, that's me. I buy houses and land. And I got a number. Area code 214-956-4289. Again, my number is 214-956-4289. And I'm out here. You know, I've educated myself on how money works, and now I'm making it work for me instead of me working for it. And you can too. I got some good stuff coming out. So be sure to subscribe to all my social media platforms so you can stay up to date with all the new information. So what's going on in here? This is a room. If you see from my last video, it was all junky. It had a lot of stuff in here. We cleared it out. We're gonna put a closet in here because anytime you put a closet in a room, it's now considered a bedroom. This was a garage. They just converted it. I'll show the outside of it here in a second. We're gonna put some stones on the outside. We hadn't put siding around it yet. But anytime you put a closet in a room, it's considered a bedroom. So this is originally a 3-bedroom, but I'm turning it into a 4 with the closet. I'm changing all the windows. I actually got a YouTube piece on windows because they're all kind of old and dated, as you can see right here. So yeah, it should be nice. Let's go out here. Let's go down here to the first bedroom, see what changes have been made here. It's all cleaned out, everybody. You can see that. Got a new decking, new roof throughout the whole house. Everything. Gonna have some new electrical and do a lot of cool stuff in here. A lot of cool stuff. This is bedroom number 2 now, since we're gonna make the garage a bedroom. Come in here. This is originally had a lot of stuff sitting over here. It had a lot of cabinets, insulation, all kind of stuff over here. and now it's gone. It's gone. It's gone. It's gone. It's magic time. But we're gonna make this room a nice room. We cleaned everything out. New roof. This is where I was when I on my old video, where this side of the house is where the fire actually took place. Come in here. Yeah. Looks nice. Looks real nice. Change this window here too as well. Everything's rocking and rolling, man. So be sure to, like I say, be sure to follow me on all social media platforms, and be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Full of good information. And follow me, because I got a lot of cool stuff coming. I want to tell you, but then I don't want to jinx it. I just want it to take place, and I want you to be in the know of it. So Lakeith buys houses and land. Area code 214-956-4289. I buy Lakeith. And this is an update on the fire damage, the barbecue in Allen, Texas. And this is that room that I was talking about, right outside the garage. All this wood is, I'm gonna change it, and I'm gonna put stone on it. It's gonna look amazing. It's gonna look really, 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 really cool. I can't wait for you to see it. Lakeith buys houses and land. Thank you.